In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Brazil using the payment method bank transfer. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is click Google and type in buybitcoinworldwide.com. Once you've done that, you should see country. Click country and look for Brazil. Under Brazil, you should see payment method. Click payment method and look for banks transfer. Then you should see we found 9 Bitcoin exchanges in Brazil that accept bank transfer. They are CX.io, Bytex, Ripple, Satoshi Tango, Mercado Bitcoin, Foxbit, FlowBTC, Bitcoins2U, and BitCambio. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, go to the Weirdest Coins or the link down below, which is the blog. And I'll see you on my next video.